A child of noble birth, born where crowns and crosses met, on contested soil of earth, offered young to casinos' walls, to prayer and sacred song. Yet God was shaping deeper paths beyond the cloistered calm. Naples open wisdom's gate, where reason learned to sing. Greek and Arab voices spoke of truth in everything. Call to Dominic's barefoot way, to preach, to beg, to teach. He chose the road of gospel fire beyond his family's reach. Oh, Thomas, Dr. Angelic, mind on fire, heart made pure, faith and reason walk as one, in a truth that shall endure. From the altar to the page, from the mind unto the knee, teach us, Thomas Aquinas, how truth sets the spirit free. Paris heard his quiet voice, deep as ocean, still as night. Albert's son in wisdom's craft, forging reason into light. Aristotle met the cross, not as rivals, not as foes, but as paths that lead to God, where eternal wisdom flows. Some are born of humble prayer, questions shaped by sacred awe, truth pursued with gentle trust, reason held within God's law. Nature sings of its creator, grace perfects what mind can